Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today is a very quick video. I just want to share a little bit of information that may help some people, and it's basically just about links and how to remove the underline that may be present in your WordPress when you're building out your sites. Okay, so sometimes there's different ways of doing it. I'm just going to show you the way to do it in the modern latest release of WordPress, because it really is quite simple. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay. Okay, so here we are in WordPress, and the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off these underlines for your links, the decoration underline, is go into Appearance and into your editor. Okay. Okay, and you want to come over to this tab called Styles. Just click that. Okay, and then in Styles, you've got this little Edit Styles pencil icon. So you want to click that. Okay, and then over here on the right hand side, you've got typography. Okay, so if you click typography, you've got this drop down that comes here, and you've got links. So if you click on links, you've now got a few options. You've got the font, the size, the appearance, and the decoration. So you've got nothing, or none as they call it, underline, or strike through. Okay, so if I come over to the footer I made in the last video, and you can see here, this is actually a link in the live site, in the live version of this, where it says WordPress, designed with WordPress. Okay, but as you can see, there's no underline. If I went back to here in my styles editor and clicked in my links tab from the fonts, from the typography, and shows underline selection, save that, save it. Now, if I come back to this and refresh it, I now have this underline. Okay, so a lot of people don't like that. They want to get rid of it. Okay, and that's how simple it is to do. That's all you have to do. If I was to go strike through and save that, come through, refresh my example, and there it is. It's striked through. So pretty simple. So I'm going to turn that off. Save it, come back, we can take a look at it just to double check, triple check, refresh it, and there it is. Okay guys, that's all this video is. It's just a quick video if anybody's looking for the way that you need to be able to do that, and that's all it is. Okay, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and like if you like the video. Feel free to ask me how to do anything, and I'm more than happy to help. Thank you.